Hey, have you ever logged into ChatGPT and thought, wait, where the heck did my chats go? 1 minute you're on a roll, the next, total ghost town. But hey, don't panic. I'm going to break down the top 3 reasons this happens and how to get you back up and rocking like a rock star on a comeback tour. Hey everybody, welcome. I'm making this video. This is actually part of my course coming up, Affiliate AI Domination, the no fluff system for building a real affiliate business with AI that rocks while you roll. But what I'm going to do here is going to share this on YouTube because I think it's essential. So it'll be part of the course, but I'm going to give a sneak peek in here for anybody that's interested, and I'll leave a link to download the prompts and a link later when I get one for the course if you're interested in that, and you can contact me through there too as well. So okay, let's get started. So what's this video about? Well, we got it's basically about comeback prompts or somehow to get your chats back, whether it's a custom guy or custom guys are better because you can add stuff. I'll show you that in a minute in the background so that they can retrieve that information. But the other guys, sometimes they lose it, so I'm asking chat here what's up. So he says, I say, why do I lose my chat or chat sometime? Oh, the old poof, it's gone problem. Yeah, that can be frustrating, dude. Here's why you might be losing your chat sometime. Top reasons your chat disappears. So, you come in, you just worked on it all day, yesterday or whatever, and then you're back the next day. You come in to continue your chat, and it's completely gone. And I've had this happen to me. And it just happened to me today, so that's why I thought I'd make this video about that on one of my custom guys. And the top reasons you're not signed in, or you got signed out, but I'm signed in still. Okay, so that can happen. Your browser refreshes or tab closing, so sometimes before it auto saves, you're not logged in, and then it's gone for good. Incognito or private mode. Sometimes they don't save the cookies, so the session data vanishes when the tab closes. You got app glitches, especially on mobile. Sometimes they crash, but then the chats weren't synced up. Switching between devices or accounts, blah, 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 blah. And chat wasn't renamed or saved. Okay, so in ChatGPT, so the conversations don't have a title or are left idle too long may not be logged, especially if there's a sync hiccup. Okay, so how to keep chats from vanishing? Always log in, rename important chats to make them easier to find and reduce auto deletion risk. Avoid incognito private browsing when working on something you want to keep. Copy, paste, or export important conversation, convos, especially if it's a mega brainstorm session, and bookmark or pin active chats in your browser. So I've been doing all that, plus I asked them to make me a comeback prompt. So what I've been doing is when I need a comeback prompt, I just go and got it saved. So I'll show you how that works in a minute. And then you can just paste that in. Bookmarking it works really well. If you go and just bookmark it, so I'm in Firefox, I'll just go up to my bookmarks and bookmark this chat. And then when I come back, if it's blank, it'll come back, which is cool. And then and I'll show you that in a minute, because the custom chat that I'm going to get back, I didn't do a command prompt because I got so many going on, and you think you did it and you didn't, blah, blah, blah. I just looked for it and I didn't find that. So Let me just ask him here. Give me the top 3 ways to get my chats back, dude. You got it, rock and roller. Here are the top 3 ways to possibly get your chats back if they're vanished like a stage diver into the crowd. So I always have fun with the chat guy. I do the rock and roll stuff with him because it just makes it amusing for me as I work on this for hours. Anyway, it actually makes me laugh. Okay, check the My Conversation sidebar. So you want to check out on the left menu there, so you can see what went on over that way. Which is I got mine closed at the moment, so I can film this. But anyway, that's on the left-hand side menu. You can check it out. Why it helps: chats may be there under generic names like new chat or auto-titled from the conversation thing, but most of the time they're not. Pro tip: scroll down. Sometime older chats hide behind new ones. Number 2, go to chat, open-eyed chat while logged in. This direct link loads your saved chats if you're signed in during there. If you're logged on in incognito, not much will be there. And make sure you're logged into the same account. Google, Apple, email used before. Example. Okay, use chat history backup export. So go to settings, data control, export data. This will zip you into that. So let's just go up here, go to settings, and go to data controls, and everything's on, right? And archive, delete all. No, we want to export. So let's just do that, and it will send me a link later. So we'll get that successfully exported. So there's how to do that, which is good because I hadn't done that in a while, but I do that all the time too. And that gives you a full archive zips in your chat history. So you can put it back up there, and you get an email link to do it. And here's a bonus rock star move. We like these rock star moves, right? It's a mega important Convo copy paste parts in a Google Doc, Notion, or Note tool as you go, like saving guitar riffs during rehearsal. Okay, so that's what I've been doing, a lot of that, especially with emails and stuff like that. Just taking all them and putting them in a Google Doc, and a couple of times then I just, out of the Google Doc, you can save it as a PDF and upload it back. And I'll show you how to upload that back in a second. And let's go to Axel, the affiliate road manager, which is my custom guy, right? So custom dude, I call him. And you can see what he does. But here I had a conversation going, and I open up. What? Nothing. Bingo. Just nothing there, right? Okay, so what you can do here is you can name the guy, do everything, but what I did is I just uploaded all this in here and all these new stuff and graphics, because he was doing some graphics, and I want to get people, they can also make graphics with this custom guy. So we got brainstorm new ideas for modules for affiliate marketing or other stuff, and you got for email here, and you can help me. This one helps make a funnel and give me 5 curiosity-driven subjects lines, blah, blah, blah. But I want to do some more customization on this to make graphics, or at least idea for graphics, right? And email, so make it an overall thing for affiliate marketing that AI obviously can help you do. So like I say, one of the, after you're in the back end there, I can, you have to kind of update him, make sure he knows that what's going on in there, so I can redo all these things here to more general. If I want to give this away, this is more towards what I'm doing at the moment, so I can tweak these out or whatever, right? And I call these guys Axel. They all name themselves. I just say name yourself, and they all I'll name Axel after the Guns N' Roses guy, I think, because we're doing all the rock star stuff. Anyway, okay, yeah, so I didn't save it. This is what happened. This is a new guy, so I never saved him in my bookmarks yet, but I'm going to do that right now. Get that done before I forget. Save him in my custom chats. Okay, and then the other way to do this is to do a comeback prompt. So I got comeback prompts saved here in the Google Docs. So I got a bunch of them, but again, this guy's new, so I never did any backup where I got other guys in here. So I can use my this comeback prompt, and I'm gonna say copy that guy, and then when I go back, because I don't have them yet with the other guy in my browser, right, which I saved now, but I'm gonna jump this in here, and I can leave you a link for this, or you can customize it yourself, right? And through actually asked these guys, right? So you want to get it so he's we're working on a project. I may want to return. Give me a short copy paste comeback prompt to use to restart our work in the new chat in the future. Blah 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 blah, right? And I'll come back to rock and roll, baby. Okay, so let's see what he gives me. Okay. Here's your copy paste comeback prompt. Okay, so he's saying comeback prompt to restart my tour. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to head back over here. I'm going to add a new guy here. Separate that up. And this was, put it in there. And that was for the affiliate road manager, Axel, the affiliate road manager. We better put his whole name in there, just so I pulled it up there for me a little bit, so I can find it easier. Let's do that. Put that a little bit up. Let's bold that so I know what's up. Okay. So that was the vibe he gave me, right? Copy that again. Okay, so now you can go back in there anytime you want if you keep that rocking. So it says okay, and it gives me I might upload PDFs, affiliate rocker, all the stuff I set up already. Now I'm back to pick up where we left off. Let's crank up the angst and the level, like writing a story, naming my OTO will trigger me to grab the mic, drop your files back, and blah blah blah. Okay, so comeback prompt. Let's see if it works. Yeah, welcome back to the stage, Mr. Rock and Roller. Your tour bus is still parked backstage, your amps are still warm, and I've got every doc, riff, and killer email we worked on ready to go. From affiliate Rockstar AI set list to the sweet Chicago. Okay, so now I'm going to say to him, he's asking me a bunch of stuff. They always do that, right? But I'm going to say, please check your memory as I uploaded more rock and roll stuff for you. Let's see, attached pic. Okay, and then so I took a screenshot of that we were in there a few minutes ago. I'll upload that to the dude. Okay, ready to go. See what he says. Usually they can read pics. Sometimes they can read stuff. Some don't, but that's a whole other story. Oh yeah, Mr. Rock and Roller. I can see the beautiful backstage pass screenshot. And you're right, we've got a killer collection of rock-fueled assets now loaded in the tour bus. Here's your current road case inventory. Okay, Core Rock Stars, PDF and Doc, Affiliate Rockstar AI Vision, the front end stage design. So he doesn't have everything correctly put in there, but he's got Redirect Pro Setup Guide. He's got the AI Domination Sales Letter, Email Story Rock and Roller, Email Story Wizard, AI Prompt 7-Day Guide, Marine Shorts, Affiliate blah blah blah, Tactical Files, Funnel Layout, Direct Pro Star, Extra Riff Manual, Visual Vibe, Custom. Okay, and he's got the graphic stuff, so that's cool. All right, so the next time your chats vanish, you know exactly what to do. And hey, if you're serious about rocking with AI like a pro, when it's up and running, you can check out affiliateaidomination.com to see if it's for you, where we turn chaos into conversions. Okay, let's keep all those conversations safe and keep on rocking. Okay, Mark, ourbestidea.com. Over and out. See you in the next video. Rock on.